Today I want to talk about the network professions. First on the list, you have service desk analyst. They do the troubleshooting when cables get messed up or crossed. They maintain username and password. They also engage in software installation and install antiviruses installation and also do the connection. Network administrator. They maintain the file server, the account creation. They also create that for banks, for instance, in the city, and remote access from branch to branch. Network engineer. They decide which products will be suitable and cost effective. They also do system upgrade, tighten security, and design the networks. And also, they build intranets. Then you have the network architect. They set up the local area network, LAN, and the wide area network, which is abbreviated as WAN. Finally, you have the network manager. They do the budget tracking and forecasting and also resources acquisition.